Yeah, it's gonna be an attempt to get this metal base and put it on these 180 because I really like this casting. It's a great casting, but I feel it deserves a metal base. I like the color, and it's got the nice tempos on the back, and some real riders will be nice. I still haven't decided which, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, this one is still nice as is, but I have another one thanks to Mr. David Rackley. So yeah, well, there you guys have it. This is the premium. I just need to drill it with the smaller drill bit, but the premium was easier to get out rather than the plastic one. The plastic, I was trying to pull out the base off of the chassis, but it was giving me a hard time. That I even bent the wheels, which it's all good. I have no use for these wheels, but yeah, right now it's just a matter of unclipping and using some real riders and drilling a smaller hole for that tapping and the screws. But I'll show you guys once I do it. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty much the end result. Take a look. This is the black one. I put the one of Tabby's chrome with the plastic base. I still need to tighten the screws. They're tapped and everything, but I need to tighten them. I forgot where I misplaced my Ellen. Same with this one. They're already tapped and all. I just need to tighten them. But take a look. This nice force poke with the chrome lip.
Papa.
Metal base.
¿Cómo se llaman estos de hasta acá?
Espérame. Some rail riders. I think right now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. And I'm gonna try different wheels like the gold or the 10 spokes or the star. I'm gonna go ahead and see which one works best. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I got it all done pretty much. Take a look. This is how it's sitting on the star. What you guys think, man? It's looking good, huh? Very nice, but I'm gonna try the gold and the 10 spoke. See what that's gonna look like. But yeah, give me just a second, and I'll go ahead and swap them. And take a look, guys. The axles for the gold are not long enough. So that being the case, you will have to cut the axle in half or make it two ends, and then just glue the axles to the base, or with the help of the little tubing I was telling you guys. So you can pretty much bridge them. Just glue the tube to the base and then insert the axles and glue the axles to the tube, and you will have it rolling. But man, I wonder how is it that it would have looked. I guess I'm just gonna put them for display. See if I can get it to pretty much just sit on the I mean, take a look just on the back. I mean, right now it's a big gap. But what you guys think, man? Would that be a good combination of those wheels? But let's try the 10 spoke. Well, I try to align it a little bit better. I mean, it just doesn't look that good because the base is not there. The base is right here, but I'm just talking about like the scheme, the colors. Do they go well with the actual wheels themselves? But that's just an idea. Let's go ahead and try for sure now. The 10 spokes. They might even not be. Yeah, they also are not the same length. They're smaller wheels or axles. That's crazy. Well, I guess I'm gonna leave it with the 5 spokes for now. I'm really pleased with the result. So that's how it's gonna stay for a minute. But yeah, I'll see what else I'll find that I can custom already. So yeah, take a look, guys. This is a Silverado. I don't think I have anybody seen I have not seen anybody put this kind of wheels on this nice Silverado. It rolls and everything, nice and smooth. It is low. It doesn't have the bigger rims. The wheels are not tucked in all the way. I mean, the tire is, but the rims are not. The only downside is the axles. I mean, later on I'm gonna cut them, but for now that's how they're gonna sit.
Sit.
Yeah, you can see
You can see
the axle is a little too long. Let's see if it's poking out. Yeah, just a tiny little bit, not a lot, but I mean it'll be better if it's sitting perfectly with the axle aligned and everything. Hasta para allá.
Papa.
But there it is, another custom today.
Papa.
Hmm.
¿Cómo se llama este?
Look, those wheels are espérame. Those wheels are these type of wheels. I don't know if you guys can see that on the casting, but very nice looking. Something that other people put on them. It's like the star ones, like I did on the first Silverado, like a 5 spokes. But I don't think I have an extra kind of like these ones. But yeah, with the red lip. But anyways, yeah, man, I think that's it for this video. I did this one with the metal base. I already tightened them. It is a little bit high. Probably gonna get to the Dremel. And take a look at this one. This one has got the plastic base, and it's also tightening. And I have the Nissan Silvia S13. In the end, I end up with the star wheels, looking nice. And this Silverado right here. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and most likely I'll do another post on Instagram soon. We'll see. I gotta gather all my casting. I like to do that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Put the variants of each casting that I have. But yeah, thank you guys and stay tuned. Yeah.